The world is going to change very drastically, and nearly everything I do is to do my tiny little part to prevent it. Every person that leaves the house and moves in a van is one more person, one little teeny tiny Brad less in the coffin of civilization.
If you can't see it, Tonto, who's got a bad cold? Can you sing like a wolf? Hup, hup. Good boy, Tonto. Hup, and Tonto, hup. Good boy, oh Tonto. Ready? Hup. That a boy. Come on, hup. That's a boy. Push. He's cheating. Come on. That a boy. Atta boy. Atta boy. Hey, push.
A broken white line looking in your face was just like staring at the sun. Always thought that up all undone, and in the end I turned and faced away from the way you shone so bright. Now I lay awake in all this darkness praying for a little of your light. It's been 4 years and now I climb. I've been living all this time. Built myself a little world of rhythm and rhyme. Sometimes I take your picture and I turn it to the wall, 'cause you're still out there clipping, baby, and I still know how to fall. It was almost fine. Day by day you slipped away down the broken white line. You and me, a love made three.
There must be lights burning brighter somewhere.
I am small and weak. I need your strength and wisdom. Let me walk in beauty and make my eyes ever behold the red and purple sunset. Make me wise that I may learn the lessons that you have hidden.
Actually, I subscribe to the Yale University newsletter on climate change. I don't know all the work they're doing there, but they put out a great newsletter on it. And I think that understanding climate change and what it's going to bring to our world is going to impact you more than almost anyone, any other students. Most of you will be probably working a lot with concrete. Is that a fair statement, that architects mold concrete and steel into buildings in large part? We are going to have to stop using concrete. We're just going to have to stop, because we cannot, the third largest country in the world, we can't just, that produces carbon, we can't say to it, you go ahead and make all you want. That's not going to happen. It's going to have to change. And so, I don't know what impact, is anything, do you talk about these kinds of things at all?
Absolutely.
Good, good. So I'm probably not telling you anything you know anything. Why are you telling us that, old man? But I'll tell you anyway, just because it makes me feel good. The world is going to change very drastically, and nearly everything I do is to do my tiny little part to prevent it. Every person that leaves the house and moves in a van is one more person, one little teeny tiny brad less in the coffin of civilization. And so that's mostly what I do, is think about the environment and the future impact of the environment on your children, which is why that should be so very important to you. It's your children.